So this is my website. I'm discussing about the header tags. Header tags nothing but what kind of headings I'm using for our website. Heading will help from your website traffic. That will be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is the main heading. H2 is a subheading. H3 is the subheading. H4 is a minor heading. H5 and H6 will be footer heading. If anybody see the size of H1, H2 will be like this. Is it clear? H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Please write down the syntax, please. Header tag H1 goes with H1. The middle of the name. H6. This is syntax. Write down syntax here. So your web pages H1 is using, H2 will be using, or will be setting by your based on your source code. Based on your source code. Just open your website, fix for your code. Your tags will be dependent by URL and toolbar. They give the complete report. How many H1 will you using for your website? How many H2 will be using your website? H3, H4, H5 and H6. Please write down notice. This is very important notice. Every web page, only one H1 tag will be accept. Every web page, only one H1 tag will be accept. More H1 tags, this is called errors. More H1 tags, this is called errors. H2 is a mandatory field. H2 is a mandatory field. We can base on requirement write for H3 and H4. And H5 and H6 will be writing for footer parts. So this syntax, now we'll check here. Go to my website, go to coding parts, now check. Control F, H1. H1 is there? No. H2? No. H3 is there. How many total? 12. Nothing but 6 will be there. Open and close. How many options are there? Total 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Enough? Done? Now check this one. H4 0. H5 0. Is it clear? This is the one. So clear? This is a website for only using for H3 6 only. Now I'm writing for H1. H1 is there? No. See this one. Go to select your website. So just look here. What is 360 fitness? Okay. Now go to your C panel, file manager. Public and HTML. Select your website. Open it. The other page is index.html. Edit it. Control F. 360. H1. H1 close. Click for save change. Now previous like this. Now refresh. Done. Change here. Now refresh here. Now H1, how many H1s are there? 2. Now check here. Control F. How many? Which one? 360 degrees. This one. Is it clear? This is the H1 adding. So my website perfectly done. H1 tag. So here. Is it clear? Now if you change it like this, I'm adding this option here. H2. Kudlip City is the H1. Yes or no? 360 witness is the H2. Done. Done here. Kuldeep Shetty, 360 fitness dip. Now Hyderabad is there. Simple here. Hyderabad Andhra Pradesh. H4. Here. Very highlighted. So we don't using for H4 here. So previous is better. Clear? So the matching for H1, H2, H3. That is refresh. First one, H1 is done, H2 is done, H3 is done, H4 is no, H5 is no, H6 is no. Clear? This is for H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. That is called main ingredients to food ratings. This is called adding for your website. Now, what is my website is main? Kuldeep Sethi. That is called H1. Your website name is H1. Always remember. Your website name is always H1. Why? Because Google understanding purpose. Google understanding purpose. Please write down the note. The header tag or the H1 tag in HTML will usually be a little usually by the title of a post or other emphasized text on the page. Emphasize nothing but maybe keyword or company name or keyword. It will be usually be the largest text the standard out for promotion purpose. There are other header tags in HTML2 like an H2, H3, H4, etc. We can edit for H5, comma H6. Remove for etc. Please write down this option. So this is for header tags for using for highlight on your keywords or highlight on your company name using for header tags. It's very important key role play for your websites.